Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Go 4 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you're trying to pair it with your iPhone, with your Android phone, with a tablet, with a PC, anything like that. Once you have it paired with something, it will pair automatically when it turns on. So you might be trying to set something up for the first time if you're watching this video, but you also might be trying to, change devices that it's paired to because you're turning it on and it keeps pairing to something that you don't want it to, and we want to manually pair it to something new. So the procedure is pretty much the same for both of these. The only difference is if you turn it on for the first time and it's not paired to anything, it will automatically go into this discovery mode. But what we can do is if it's already paired with something, or when it's turned on, we can manually put it in pairing mode by coming and just hitting the Bluetooth button on it. And if we hit the Bluetooth button on it, it will disconnect it to whatever it was connected to and put it into pairing mode. And then we can go on our phone or other device and go to the available devices and select this Go 4 from the list of available devices, and from there it should pair automatically. Now if you're still having issues with it not pairing properly, you can try doing a factory reset, which will clear all the pairing history and you can set it up again, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. But if this video helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.